In this example, we are going to see a very basic but very useful trick to integrate the data between Word and Excel files. So generally, what do we do if we want to copy a table or data into our Windows Word file? Most probably what people do is, like, let me show you. Yeah, and this is one more shortcut to open Word. So you press Ctrl R, Run Console is opened, and you just type WinWord and press enter. So this is yet another shortcut to open your Windows Word. I'll go with Word document. So what people generally do is copy this data and paste it into Word. But then the question is, what if I change my original file? So if I change it to say 5600, you see the total has changed, but no, in Word file the data shown is still the old data. And now this might prove to be a big problem if you are calculating, or if you are creating your research paper or project report. You are working in Excel and you are processing all your presentation or text related requirements in Word. So yes, you need data neatly which is calculated data from Excel, and you need that to be pasted into Word. But then as I showed you, there will be a problem if I change my original data. My Word data is not changing. So instead what we can do, we will use the same copy and paste feature but with a little twist to it. So let me delete this, and now what I'll do is I will copy this data, and instead of just pasting, I'll right click, and then here if you see, the third option is link and keep source formatting. So whether or not we want the source formatting here in the Word, or we just want link, that's our own choice. But let's go first with link and keep source formatting. So what I have done is I have chosen option number 3. So now if you see, both the formats in both the files are same. Let's try it with the other example, that is, we just want to link the data, we don't want the formatting. So link and use destination style, that is a normal style. So I pasted this data here. Let's create some space here and I push it to the next page. So now here you see there is some strange background color that's coming up, but then that's because of some of the Word settings. So now here this looks more neat, more presentable than as compared to just having the link and no source formatting. But yet more amazing feature is, if I change data here, let's change it to 10,000. So you see the total has changed, and when I go to my Word file, boom, you see here this data has also changed, right? Also many times what happens, we find some spelling mistakes like this. So I change my spelling here, and no need to go and keep on changing the spellings in my Word file as well. This has automatically resorted to the correct spelling as I made the changes in the original source data or original file. So this is a very basic yet very useful feature of Excel that you can use in your day-to-day working life. Thank you. If you do like my videos and my presentations, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon to keep receiving the notifications for all the new videos that I keep on uploading.